Creation of Moon. Once in the vast expanse of the cosmos, there was a lonely planet named Earth. It spun gracefully around its star, basking in the warmth of its light. But Earth was lonely, yearning for a companion in the vastness of space. One day, a wandering asteroid, drawn by Earth's beauty, ventured too close. With a deafening crash, it collided with Earth, sending shockwaves rippling through the universe. From the chaos emerged a celestial dance, a dance of creation. Out of the wreckage of the collision, debris scattered into space, coalescing and swirling together. Over time, gravity began to work its magic, pulling the debris into a new form, a magnificent sphere bathed in the silver glow of the sun. This was the birth of the moon, Earth's faithful companion. Together, they embarked on an eternal journey through the cosmos, their bond unbreakable, their dance a testament to the wonders of the universe. And from that moment on, Earth was no longer alone, for the moon was there to share in its beauty, its secrets, and its dreams.